I lean like I'm missing a toe. Okay, make a third and I promise don't sweat at all. One hand motion, tell him to go.
Yeah, my diamonds is bigger than rice. Yeah, my dog, he with me, no lice. Big mansion, came from the mice.
I do, I hope you 103. I'm quick to let a bitch go. I got residue stuck in the cup. Okay, I lean like I'm missing a toe. Okay, make a third and I promise don't sweat at all. One hand motion, tell him to go.
Yeah, my diamonds is bigger than rice. Yeah, my dog, he with me, no lice. Big mansion, came from the mice.
I do, I hope you 103. I'm quick to let a bitch go. I got residue stuck in the cup. Okay, I lean like I'm missing a toe. Okay, make a third and I promise don't sweat at all. One hand motion, tell him to go.
Yeah, my diamonds is bigger than rice. Yeah, my dog, he with me, no lice. Big mansion, came from the mice.
I do, I hope you 103. I'm quick to let a bitch go. I got residue stuck in the cup. Okay, I lean like I'm missing a toe. Okay, make a third and I promise don't sweat at all. One hand motion, tell him to go.
Yeah, my diamonds is bigger than rice. Yeah, my dog, he with me, no lice. Big mansion, came from the mice.
I do, I hope you 103. I'm quick to let a bitch go. I got residue stuck in the cup. Okay, I lean like I'm missing a toe. Okay, make a third and I promise don't sweat at all. One hand motion, tell him to go.
Yeah, my diamonds is bigger than rice. Yeah, my dog, he with me, no lice. Big mansion, came from the mice.
I do, I hope you 103. I'm quick to let a bitch go. I got residue stuck in the cup. Okay, I lean like I'm missing a toe. Okay, make a third and I promise don't sweat at all. One hand motion, tell him to go.
Yeah, my diamonds is bigger than rice. Yeah, my dog, he with me, no lice. Big mansion, came from the mice.
I do, I hope you 103. I'm quick to let a bitch go. I got residue stuck in the cup. Okay, I lean like I'm missing a toe. Okay, make a third and I promise don't sweat at all. One hand motion, tell him to go.
Yeah, my diamonds is bigger than rice. Yeah, my dog, he with me, no lice. Big mansion, came from the mice.
I do, I hope you 103. I'm quick to let a bitch go. I got residue stuck in the cup. Okay, I lean like I'm missing a toe. Okay, make a third and I promise don't sweat at all. One hand motion.
Yo, what's good? Let me get my shit on. What's popping? All right, I'm gonna look at these charts. What the fuck is that? It's crazy. All right. Down on tape. 3 hours to brush my teeth, though. Just got things going on in this thing called life. You know what I'm saying? So. All right. Let's get into the fun stuff. I mean, I'm not on gold right now. I took a L, got off of it. Now I'm on this. So, I don't know. I got to go look. Give me a second. See what we got going. Put on some music. This is in a Don Toliver album. All right. Oh shit! Good morning, gang. So let's see what we got going on with these charts. We already got in those US30 longs, smooth as hell.
On the highway and I'm thinking that I love her. On the highway and I'm thinking
Music stuff.
that
I love it.
on the highway with my significant love.
That's better. I should go a little bit lower. That's better. Alright, cool. I'm gonna look at gold after I'm done with 30. I feel like US 30 is where it's at right now. Just due to the momentum. Let's see where we at daily. US 30 is going to 50.6. Markup charts real quick so we can get into some stuff. Dope execution. I had a buy set up here and I put it inside the Telegram chat. I'm gonna actually start incorporating the Telegram chat a lot more often when I am in my trade, so we can try to get in on it, even if I'm not on stream, so everyone can still see where the progress is going to. And I'm probably gonna do some more other stream stuff when it comes down to like my breakdowns. Might start pre-mapping things out like around 7 p.m. around there Eastern time. Do a stream on that, and then let it do what it do, and then hop on in the morning, do my other stream, and see where the flow of that market is at still. Or we might be in trades, who knows? We can talk about it while we're on stream, so you're not really missing a beat. But I do believe, this is gonna be going up to a higher area, 61.8. I definitely see price getting to this area. As you can see, is blitzing, so that's looking beautiful. So let's go see what's happening with the gold. But before that, let me go look at this. This is pushing up nice. Love it. It's about at 38. Okay, that makes sense. Euro USD is going to be consolidating between the TP1 and TP2, so you can't really dabble too much in this. It's kind of like this is what we're going to get due to that formation. But those that know should know this. I'm gonna draw this out. Let's see if y'all smart in the chat. What is this for me right now on Euro USD?
And the winner is My Life Real Quick.
Cup and handle. Nah, it's called teacup. Yeah. So we're getting that formation right now. This is the flag right here. So we're getting ready for that consolidation and the breakout. So this is self-explanatory. And that nice little teacup pattern. Nice flag. Nice good structure. Yeah, pretty much we're about to be turned on that one, which is cool. This is what we want, which indicates more of the whole bullish momentum here. Even though we got consolidation, price could push up higher on this weekly time frame to get around to $1.20. Which hopefully we get some news or something, because it's kind of slow. But that goes into this overall, the daily $1.20. I do this shit. Trading made simple. Trading made simple. all lines up or everything, which is, you know, what y'all want to do when y'all trading. Let's see, let's go to gold. There ain't nothing I can do right now in euro. I want to catch a better dip on an intraday move. And speaking of that, let me draw this out real quick. Yesterday created a nice pull when it was going bullish as hell. Just right there. Consolidations, perfect. It could go to $1.19 today, but I prefer getting a better entry down here. So I'm gonna pass on this for now. I'm just gonna save this. Let's go to gold. Still pumping. Gold is not moving nowhere. Like, look at this doji ass weak candle. Now, here's the thing: it's moving a lot of pips, which is crazy, but it's not really moving nowhere. Still the same bias. Still got a sell limit at the 88.6 at 5.4 K. So I'm still looking for that short overall to the upside. Just prices consolidating, so that's not fun. And that leaves gold on some standby shit. You know, so I don't really like that. Not it. But you should be alright though with getting into some perspective, belonging it later. Charting software is DX Trade, but you can use the broker I use with that link that just got literally automated to get access to it. And once again, I will say this on the live like I always say it. My course is free. My time is free. I teach this for free. You're going to get all my knowledge for free. No fluffing. Only thing I want from y'all is to support me by doing two things. Y'all could sub to my kick, which is dope. It'd be a blessing. Want to actually start turning up on here because I'm actually doing high-end content. Definitely looking for subscribers, obviously. And then secondly, well, it should really be the first thing. Trade on the broker I use the affiliate link that I actually promote. I'd rather you fund your account 1,000,000% for yourself. And I just want to get paid off the lots. And the way why I like that is because if your account is blown, I don't get paid. If your account is making money, as in your lots are going up, I get paid. So it's a win-win scenario. See how I'm doing that? It makes sense. That way you don't have to pay me, let the broker pay me. But if you're winning your trades, I get paid. If you're losing your trades, I make no money. So my goal here is to help y'all win as much as fucking possible. And if you support everything I do in TPU, you already know the vibes. Definitely join that referral link. I'll switch to my affiliate code. I'm about to make a lot of people rich this year here. It's gonna be fun. Nope, I do not use MT5 no more. I'm back on DX Trade. One is a better platform to use for for streaming. MetaTrader 4 is just so outdated, it pisses me off. My bad, MetaTrader 5 is so outdated, it pisses me off. Doesn't matter how much they want to like integrate it and make things better, and it's just not fluent for current modern tech. It's dinosaur as hell. I hate it. I will never ever use that platform. TL is what I'm gonna call it. I'm not gonna promote that name on my platform. It's too much things that I know about who created it, who's behind it. I'm good. I don't touch nothing from that side. And they only use unregulated platforms. Another thing about TL. The platform I use is actually regulated. All right, so gold. Consolidation, you know, nothing more, nothing less. Is really just what it is. It's consolidating. I had longs in, got stopped out, which sucked. I got stopped out with this big wick on market open yesterday morning. Well, yesterday evening, I'm sorry, around 5 p.m. And then it did trigger a nice 78.6, but I didn't get no longs. Price still has potential to go to 5.1. Market ain't really moved nowhere. Just, you know, you got to deal with the swings of how this feels. If you look at it, it's on about 940 pips of movement. So anybody that's trading it will see emotional state of mindset because it's moving so many pips, but it's not really moving anywhere because look at the candle movement. It's not going nowhere. It's consolidating. It's actually a very small candle movement here. But the pip amount, due to how much volatility gold has, we're seeing lots of emotional people that's been DMing me, to be honest, that's saying, yo, Ryan, I'm losing a lot of money on gold. What's going on? Absolutely nothing. Use risk management. All right, so I'm just going to save that. Boom. Gold ain't moving nowhere. But I do like the long aspect of this. Might get a retest around this area. 6.8 resistance. I'm probably gonna long it. Do I trade GJ or UJ? Nope. I don't like GJ. I don't like nothing JPY. Oh, all right. So how do I do that? So pretty much you load charts by this plus sign. You type in the pair up here first. Boom. Right. You just type a pair. Okay. And then as you type that pair, all you're going to do, you're going to get one chart here in the bottom left corner. Then you're going to click the plus sign. You can add as many charts as you want. I kept the same chart. And the only thing I did was change the time frames on each one. And then I went here, click save workplace. And then as you can see, it will save. And then once you do that, you just do individual charting on each one and you just make sure you save your work. And then you could just go into load, for example. So I could clearly click save, perfect example, go into load. And then I just basically load whatever one I save so I could easily just jump around. My work never moves. This is why I'm so efficient in what I do. But when I get on, I already know what I got to do. I don't sit here and waste time. Well, let's go look at Bitcoin. Yeah, buddy. Come back down. Let's get back into gold. It's unlonged it. Trying to drink chicken broth in the morning. So bland. We're gonna be in some drawdown on gold, and I'm okay with it. I'm all for it. I ain't gonna hold y'all. The overall perspective for me on gold right now is just to long it in consolidated markets. No, I won't consider this a head and shoulder pattern. Just for one, making higher lows. See? So no, I can't consider that. If anything, it's going to be structure on 61.8. So I'm definitely longing it due to the fact, two things. Let's actually go look at it in a bigger perspective on why the long to me still makes sense as time is only 10:04. I do see that resistance is hit on the weekly time frame. I'm not going to say it's not. We do have resistance on a weekly time frame. Can it reverse them here? Absolutely. But does that mean it will? Question mark, right? So I look at the daily time frame, and then when I look at that, I only see bullish momentum going up. So kind of questions why. So for me, I do believe price is going to continue going bullish, especially right now what's going on in the economy. We got a partial government shutdown like the other day, so I'm still long on this. There's stuff going on. And then we go to the H4, and then you can see on the H4 we're still overall bullish. Target did not get hit for the week, so I'm still liking that, reality for it. And then we go to the H1, and we ended bullish yesterday. So the only thing that makes sense is to buy it. Can't lie. I gotta admit, my strategy is so simple. Like I literally could like identify anything in less than 5 minutes. All right, let's get this money. Need it. Back. Ooh. Trying to think. But yeah, pretty much all y'all want to do is just think smart when y'all trade. Look at that. That's beautiful. Give me that fucking money. Need that.
And the winner is My Life Real Quick.
Anyways, while we're doing that, I'm about to open up my new shit again. So pretty much, just bought another camera that I'm gonna use for outside use, but get my shit together while we're streaming on that downtime. Baby. But yeah, what type of questions y'all have for me though? Yeah, the fibs are dope. Makes everything more fun. Well, more easier to trade, I should say. More fun.
just to get the scoop of doing your best. She look at me like Scotty, man, if that's on my chest.
When the high or low for that particular day for H1 is on the period separated line, how do you draw the fib? On the high or low for that particular day for H1 is on the period separated line. Okay, well, it depends. For example, if let's go for here. This basically, let's see this. In the period separator, all I'm looking for, just start with that first. This is the biggest part about it. In the period separator, all I'm looking for is the ultimate low and the ultimate high. All right, so the ultimate low, ultimate high. That's the only thing you're identifying. So once that period separator starts, it could be the ultimate low or the ultimate high because it's now in that period. So the period ends when it's the next dotted line. So you pretty much, it's the candle before this candle. So see, here's an example of a perfect period understanding, okay? This starts a period. This candle right here before this period opens up ends the period. So this candle here starts the new period. You see what I'm saying? So we have an ultimate low here and we have the ultimate high here. And I know we ended bullish, so I need to draw from low point here to high point here. Notice the 0 on the fib is, you know, basically a starting point, and the 100 on the fib is a starting point, depending on how you're drawing it. So, rule of thumb, stop losses on the bottom, TP's at the top if you're buying, or if we're selling the market, we got to flip it so that the stop losses be at the top and the TP's be at the bottom. And once you do that, just set penny orders. You're pretty much fucking done at that point. So all you really want to do is just grab the flow. Does that make sense to you, cons? But yeah, it's just, you're basically just chilling at that point, you know? Oh, crap. But yeah, trading is not something that's really hard, you know? Like, I'm gonna go look at some of the pairs in a second. But yeah, so the goal right now is just to have fun, you know what I'm saying? Like, Gold still might consolidate a little bit. That's the only downside of gold right now. Consolidation. Tired. Like when I do these streams, keep in mind I'm waking up early for y'all. Have I traded oil? I don't really like trading oil. You're not gonna see me do too much oil. Like, that's not like a focus for me, personally. I'll dabble into it. I just gotta get some other stuff. This shit's just saved. No pair, I need a markup. I need to mark up Nas. Fucking hate setting everything back up. I hold the trades at the end of the day, or to TP get hit typically. Need to clear up this whole chart. I'm about to mark up Nas. For this shit. Marking this up. Right. Just a lot. I might mark up oil after this, by the way, just because I know it's something that a lot of y'all want me to do this year. But before I do that, let me bang this out. Gold is in the bag. Keep this. Two verticals. All right, cool. All right.
And the winner is My Life Real Quick.
I'm hungry as hell. Can't even lie. When I'm hungry, my focus goes out differently. What's popping? 26.
I'm sitting by myself, wondering when you coming back home. I think I drive you crazy. I think I lost my
March, February, January.
wanna take a ride. I think you could be my baby. I think you could be my little baby. 200 to make her go crazy. She ratchet, little baby, I'm clank. I'm squared, I give her the hang. Lifestyle, she love it, she spoiled. I might give her a son and a daughter.
Right.
I'ma scramble them eggs, no ball. Shawty living, she'll know the word
Monthly.
boy. She don't know the word boy. Auntie go bay in the water with a motherfucking horse. You know I ain't true. Online stores, you show me, I tell you of course. Big guys, I bust out the place. Bank account got a whole damn course. We ain't doing no rap capping. Straight face, I can show you the sauce. She eat up to me, get a whole bread. I call her whole boy head. Got a lot on my mind, talking like literally.
I think I need some coffee.
Chop the top of the coupe and paint it.
Can't even hold you.
Call that Mexican mafia. Drove stuffed out in the seat of the phone.
Give me a second. I need some coffee.
I'm the type to go and bring on me, take on vacation. I've been certified my whole life, come check my registration. Yeah, I'm drunk, but I ain't driving, yes, and I know my destination. I got a sticky hand, a drum in the back, but please don't estimate them. Man, it's shaking so damn heavy in the back, gotta pick it with an excavator. That damn money going way to the top floor, going up on the escalator. Shawty popping shoes in the back room, she gon' need her respirator. I will kick you out of my house right now, I call it a detonate.
I need a coffee. I was about to die here. Yeah, I feel better now. That cold brew gets you going. Feel better. I needed that shit. Oh, man.
I was just bullshitting. And you know this, man.
Alright, I need some more alerts. Damn, I was literally gonna go through it if I didn't get more coffee. Do y'all drink coffee when y'all get on the charts this early? Because if I don't, I forgot something. I'm trying to think why I'm not hitting myself right. You know what? Be right back. Again, I need to go take a new tropic.
Shaking so damn heavy in the back, gotta pick it with an excavator. That damn money going way to the top floor, going up on the escalator. Shawty popping shoes in the back room, she gon' need her respirator. I would kick her out of my house right now, I call it a detonate. Baby, shaking so damn heavy in the back, gotta pick it with an excavator. That damn money going way to the top floor, going up on the escalator. Shawty popping shoes in the back room, she gon' need her respirator. I would kick you out of my house right now, I call it a detonate. Wanna spend a dirty ball in my house, told her, baby, come wake me up. Before we jumped out the bed, she gave me a little head, we hate me up. Yeah, bro got the fire, the dice can't talk to me, that's how I break it up. Yeah, throw all the ones in the air, told shawty come here, come break it up. Yeah, I'm type nigga, come put it in your face, little nigga, I'll make sure. Yeah, I'm on the corner, I got a club going up,
Whew. I'm way back in now. I know I forgot to do something this morning. So I had to go take some, I'm not sure if y'all biohack. I do biohacking, but I was taking some nootropics. I was taking C-Max. I'm back now. That shit got me focused. Peptides. What's good? 25. All right. I never tried cold plunging, and I hate cold. I just injured my inner groin recently, and I was supposed to go cold plunge, and I just ice packed it. And that's probably why I also should go cold plunge, because just so I could avoid injury a lot more easier. I was doing reverse lunges. And I'd be like doing deep reverse lunges with heavy weight, and yeah, shit just went left. And it was elevated too. So I was like, I had my left foot elevated on the plate, holding the barbell, did a reverse lunge, and ripped my inner groin. And it's a micro tear, but that shit hurt like a bitch. It's like, it feels like a full tear, but it's not. It's bruised and everything too. But it sucks. So yeah, cold plunging might work. 100, 0. So once that happened, I was pretty much out. This just happened like maybe, what was it? What's today? Tuesday? This happened on, I believe, Friday or Saturday. Shit sucked. Immediately dropped the weights, went to instant sweating, got dizzy as hell. Had to go outside, lay down, try to walk it off to see if I could. Thank God I ain't really messing up too bad, but that shit sucked. Cryotherapy, I heard, is dope. So I don't know. I'm just gonna try to do something that helps with that area, because I mean, that type of injury sucks. You know, hold you. I never had a muscle tear injury. That's interesting. This do make sense though. Very fucking interesting. Well, good thing I didn't mark this up to now, because I probably would have long and got mad. This definitely went bearish. So let's see where we at. 0. There. Little sneaky. Getting somewhere. Got stopped at profit when market opened on today on Nas. I mean, yeah, I hate a damn injury. Like, I have a lot of injuries on my body. I have a boxer fracture here. So my fucking hand is like torn up a little bit. I tore ligaments in my wrist on a jet ski racing. Braked, going 80 miles per hour, not thinking what water and racing down the street is two different things. You brake on the water, going on a jet ski 85 miles per hour. You're not you're not having a smooth brake experience, to say that. I literally turned sideways and I didn't want to fall in the water. So I held onto the jet ski with both hands and I ripped my ligaments in my wrist. It's a lot of stuff I'll be doing that I just be questioning, why the fuck did I do it? Yeah, and that happened in 22, 23. I had a boxer fracture. And this is me getting back into the gym every year, trying to like take it serious. So that was 22, 23, both same hand. Just pretty much couldn't work out. Started getting back into the gym around 25. And now we are in 26, and I just ripped my goddamn muscle in my groin. So, bad luck. Yeah, bro. Shit sucks. But I'm going to be focused back heavy in the gym regardless, though. Health is still my priority. I'm about to take that BPC 150 TB 500 supplement peptide, the Wolverine stack, and just heal my ligaments and call it a day, to be honest. I don't want to stop the gym over injuries. So BPC 150 it is, and TB 500, call it a day. Take the Wolverine supplement. Yeah, I heard it works wonders. Like, a lot of my friends that are heavy into biohacking peptides told me, yeah, you need to get on that stuff ASAP. It's tendon. See, the thing is, everybody could grow muscles and get the sizing that they want, but the tendons don't grow with those muscles as fast as you would think. So you leave room for injury because your tendons don't. It just it's weaker, you know. So you got to build it. So I'm trying to get on stuff so I can prevent myself from injury, because as you can see, I kind of like tend to get injured often. I'm on gold right now. I'll load gold in a second. Yeah, all that muscle with weak tendons, that shit's ass. It's ass. I can't go through that ever again, man. Shit sucks. Where we at? 27. As long as the H4 don't look bad. Yeah, peptides. I'm big on peptides right now. B12, testosterone, D3, and other ones. I feel like biohacking, like if you got the money, it's so worth it. See where you're deficient at in your blood, and then just take what you need. And what's crazy is most men, I'll say it on here right now, most men don't even know their testosterone levels, and everything we eat has estrogen in it. So your testosterone levels are usually going to be typically low. So a lot of people have been getting heavy on TRT because most men testosterone, when they're not checking it, is underneath 500. So you need to get it above, 800 plus to feel optimal, to be honest. And squatting is not going to do enough. Shit is crazy. I had to learn all that, and that's what made me get into taking biohacking serious and see where my life is gonna head with that. And honestly, I've been at my most healthiest. Brain fog is gone, all that stuff. And it actually helps me on the charts. That's actually something I can say. It helped me on the charts massively. Vitamin D, everyone's deficient in vitamin D. Like, especially in Miami, you'd be surprised. You're still out here in the sun and you still could be vitamin D deficient. So I had to start taking that as well. On the peptide, I don't like pills. Bro, it's 100. All right, cool. So that's gonna be going bullish. I'm just gonna look at gold because it's moving a little too much. That's where my trade is at. Just looking at our nice little retest. Let me see if I can pen this out better. All right, that's cool. My AI mod deleted what you wrote. That's crazy. D3, K2. I see it though. Yeah, fasting in itself is nuts. I'm about to snipe gold again. Gold is not gonna do me like that. Nope, nope, nope. The only thing that will happen if this trade goes bad, I could promise you, is not because of my H4 markup, is not because of my daily markup. It would be because weekly resistance is trying to get respected. All right, so I'm gonna long it again because I like to play a little risky sometimes. That's only if it drops. But I don't see why it would. The minute I start talking like that. Oh, whoa. Wrong button. I have no strong desire to fold on this setup right now. Just want to start finally fucking moving. All right. Divided my risk. We got a little bit more riskier. Risking 4K. Risking 7. 11, 13. I risk it. I like the returns. That 200 SMA is going to come in beautifully right now. Start respecting that. Slight drawdown. Low point, high point. All right, it's looking a little bit more healthier. Nice little pullback. How many of y'all like my trading style, by the way? If you do, put some W's in the chat. It's love. Ooh, look at the pullback. Give me that. Give me that rise. It pulled back into this big wick area, which got heavily respected during market open. So it's retesting it a little bit, but we're looking good. I see that double bottom structure being held at that 61.8 5K area. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let me see. I'll read it over here. Now, if this method being used on GJ and killing it, kudos to you on killing it on GJ. Trick writing on the D1 and weekly time frames. Go retest stop on yesterday after live and it's ranging between 4964 and waiting for the retest at 5791. So I think it should be good. Hopefully, it's been a while lately. Facts. I mean, we should be seeing some good motion going into the upside of gold. So just gotta just vibe with it, I guess, for now. If you only focus on market structure, you will be lost in the strategy. So what about that rejection area to the left forming a double top and a wick from today? I'm going to assume you're talking about, where's my free hand? You're talking about this, and you're talking about this, right? When you say double top. Okay, my answer. Are you focused only on what you see on H1, or are you focused on the overall picture? That'll be my question to you. See? If you only focus on H1, you lost the battle. You can't go to war with the charts and only see a pistol. You gotta go get the artillery. You gotta go see everything else. You can't just go to war with a pistol. You gotta have way more tools in war. You know what I'm saying? You gotta put that shit on. So you need to see the full field, man. This double top, I can't, it's not enough for me. I see it, but I don't see it. You see what I'm saying? I don't see it, but I see it. Because I'm more focused on why is this bullish closure, as you could see, last week.
And the winner is my life real quick.
Facts. And then why are we still overall bullish with no retest yet, and there's a double bottom? The higher the time frame, the stronger the trend. So the daily ready one with the double bottom here. So H1 is irrelevant. And then, yeah, we do have a little bit of resistance here on the weekly, but that don't really hold weight. And the reason why, once again, is because we don't even got a retest yet. And we got bullish pressure still. There ain't no new lows being made. So I do see retests. Gold is a rocket ship. I ain't going against the rocket ship. Buys is the only thing that matters until, here's the thing. When you see strong, let's see if y'all can answer this. If you see strong trends going bullish as hell, you should be figuring out how to buy those lows as much as possible for a reason. Because you do not want to get caught up into the seller's bias unless new lower lows is being made. Keyword, new lower lows, not lows. New lower lows being made to identify a trend change. And right now we don't see a trend change yet because market has not fully respected and reversed with closure. Keyword, reversed with closure on the negative 27 on the weekly time frame at the 5,074.60 area. We do not have a strong closure of identification of reversal to clarify that we can start shorting this. So right now we have a candle that's still in motion. Even though we see it respecting the line, don't mean it's valid. We have to see closure to, to basically clarify validation, right? So right now we're just playing around with the motion. Is last week we ended bullish. That's my bad. Yesterday we ended bullish, so that's a fact. So we got to play with that. We got to take advantage of those moments. Last week it consolidated, it pushed a low. Great, we had a nice drop, even though we caught it. I was fired for it too. Caught that shit nice. Made some money. Come think of it, on this short, even though I made a bag on this, I took my money out and then I invested it immediately into one, getting a new camera, and two, getting my backpack. You know, I dropped like 40 some thousand on the whole setup just to do more content on Kick to have fun with y'all. So, which is pretty cool for me. Like I wanted to do this shit anyways. But I'm still not I'm not married to a seller's bias just because I made money on it. I understand we're still in the buyer's market. You understand? So that's why, man, that shit is nice. That boy cold. That boy cold. You know, so you gotta like flow with the market. I don't marry a bias just because we make money on it. We make money by adjusting to what the market does. All right, so flip side, random question. How many of y'all interested in me gaming? I'm not doing that right now, but I'm about to set that shit up soon. I'm gonna be doing the gaming stream soon. I'm gonna be on Arc Raiders, Call of Duty, wherever my girl be on. I'm gonna go play those type of games too. Dabble into the charts. Wild gaming. Try to switch it up, but I do like gaming here and there. So y'all see the other side of me. You know what I'm saying? Switch it up. We're gonna do gaming. I'm trying to get a deal on, Kick so I could get that stake deal. I know I heard about the partnership deals they got. Need to get that. GTA 6, I'm gonna have so much fun when that drops. But y'all definitely want a game. You see what I'm saying? Like nigga got the sculpt controller, you know what I'm saying? All white too. I got my all white on white layout. Have some fun with it. I'm gonna be strictly on PC. Y'all gotta understand, my PC builds is on roids. I got a 5090 graphic card, fully loaded PC, like fully loaded. So I'm definitely gonna take advantage of my 5090 graphic card. PlayStation need to catch up, Xbox need to catch up. Platforms ain't really messing with what that graphic card could produce. I bought that when it first came out too. GeForce RTX 5090 White Ice. Hold up. Give me a second, gang. What? I need to check that shit out. I'm dead.
And the winner is My Life Real Quick.
I need to go look at this shit on IG. Oh, he's using other things first. Got it. Oh, my bad. How much was the PC builds? Well, I got raped on my graphic card. I'll just be honest with you. My PC builds was around 3,500 for the casing and everything else. The graphic card I was gonna get at 2,500, but I bought it on eBay because I needed it. I was upgrading from a 3080. And I wanted the 5090. I actually wanted the 4090. Then the 5090 was coming out, so I said, screw it, I'll wait. And then I copped the 5090 on eBay. I spent another 6,300 just on a graphic card. So all in, my setup is like 10,000 personally, when it could have been a little bit cheaper. And I went to Micro Center to get it built out, but I needed a graphic card. Like there would be no mean computer and charts. Like that graphic card I had was crashing out, so I had to upgrade it. Fortunately, you gotta do what you gotta do, and I wasn't gonna wait. So my girl got the same build too, 5090s, exact same build. Hers was a lot cheaper because we got it at 2500. So that's the only difference. And she's focused on her gaming streams. So I think that's good for her. Yeah. So that's what happened with my PC builds. She plays DBD, Arc Raiders, Fortnite, pretty much any game that's like trending. She's about to start playing Warfare. I don't know how that's gonna go. But I definitely want to get on Arc Raiders, so that's what I'm gonna be on personally. We need this candle to close and start reversing, so it's another 8 more minutes. It's cooking. But yeah, I definitely want to get on Arc Raiders personally, and then I'm gonna dabble into Call of Duty and other things I always, used to play. I just need to download some games and get it popping. Let's go look at something else. See what Nas is doing. Crap flow. Why the fuck I ain't short it? Why the fuck I ain't short this? I watched this go up. I should have took a short and risked it for the biscuit on the pullback. Fuck. It was such an opportunity. Oh well. It is what it is though. Ah, fuck. I wanted to check oil. Damn, I'm so lazy to do another markup. To do oil. But I definitely gonna need some game suggestions. But also, y'all gonna see what's coming up next. I have the Discord community getting rebuilt. 100% is not just gonna be forex. The Discord community is gonna have gaming, sports betting, forex, all that inside the Discord community. So you pick where you want to go and you have fun talking to whoever you want to talk to and you enjoy that Discord server, So I'm going to be doing everything in there personally. We have fun doing Forex, but what's fun if we just sit here and trade? Like, no, we need to do more with ourselves. So I like sports betting a lot, clearly. And I try to talk about it every now and then, but people look at me like I'm crazy. But turn it into a funner community. We on charts. Fuck it, I'm bored. Let's just hop on a game and look at some charts after. I don't know. You know what I'm saying? Turn it into an experience. Turn it into a great experience, to be honest. Let's see. Never refreshes. Yeah, sports is gonna be dope. You said it muted? No, my mic is on. I can see the audio playing. Yeah, like I'm turning into a streamer. I'm gonna hold y'all. This shit look too fun. I'm gonna be real. It sounds a little low. Damn. I wonder what happened. No, just heard this whole album. Yeah, no. It sounds better now. Yeah, Fort. Yeah, that's the homie. Huh?
Sticks and stones to break my bones, but words will never hurt a nigga.
No.
Be like an oven, better not touch him, I'ma burn a nigga. I know it's a family and I'm supposed to have a driver, but I whip it like a Honda and I'm out here and I'm swerving in it. Whipping around somebody at the light, ain't see the
Yeah,
curve.
Fort's a good dude.
And she just wanna spend some time with me, but I've been
Man, it's killing it. I'm trying to get him to stream.
Time that I get home, I'm gonna be burnt out, probably hollering about I'm tired as fuck. Any nigga think that I'm a hoe, just tell him try his luck. The first nigga that jump off in that water probably die a duck. I'm staring at the ceiling overnight cause I got money on my mind.
I killed an Olympic hockey parlay yesterday. It was fire.
Can't go against this shit of niggas want a nigga line it up cause every time a nigga press my button then I'm going up. Strapped up every day.
SPX 500. I gotta mark that whole shit up. Let's do this. What y'all prefer for me to mark up right now? Oil or SPX? SPX or oil? Type it. Now all at one time now. Oh shit, I'm hungry as hell. Coffee is not doing it. I'm crashing. Oil's winning. Y'all some. I don't even know what to call y'all. Y'all some traders. Let's go look at black gold. Damn. Alright. I think I got the juice in me. I never marked up the monthly. It's not like me.
Fuck it, this the second verse. Trying to teach her everything I know, not trying to lecture her. Go home and make
I need to get me some damn Aki and sawfish or something. What time is it? Damn, I missed it. I'm hot. Oh my god, it's 10:58. I forgot to order my shit.
Soon as I'm done working, you know daddy on this grind, and when it's time, it's nothing more to say. We rocking out. Me and all your sisters, yeah, we pulling up and popping out, and any nigga fuck with you.
Damn, dog. I'm marking oil. I'm just gonna focus on oil. I'm just clearing up the chart. So y'all gonna see how I like do this. You gotta clean your charts up. Make sure you got no joins on it, and then you load. Damn, I can't spell. Oh my god. US oil. And then you start tapping it out like this. And just click each one and you.
Yeah, and I'm the best motherfucking rapper, nigga. You not tuned into a classic, nigga. Be more grateful, nigga. Yeah.
You tap each one and you just, boom, load it. You save the template and then you're good to go. Just make sure you have no joins in use. Clean that chart up. Pure naked and redraw. Except for these lines. These might transfer over since they're pretty standard.
Let's go.
Oh shit. Oh my god. Alright. You don't know who Lloyd is. That's all I'm gonna say. Back in my earlier days. That's not old. Back in my earlier days, I'll be outside. I used to be in a strip club way too often.
Go the other way, ain't even finna lie. The way they put a moving in the dress up in the action if you wanna put it day. Can sue me if I try. Bitch nigga acting like a shooter, but he not. Rich nigga, I can come and move you out the spot. It's simple, I ain't finna do the shit that I do for you if I was out here trying to do it for a thought. So spread that shit, you know what I'm saying? You know. Fuck me like a slut, you know what I'm saying? Let's go.
See, all right, we got some motion. Oops, wrong one. All right, we in there. This shit looks ugly. It's like I can see why they're trying to create hell in the market. I mean, in the world. Oil has been not doing shit. It's been around the same range. Kind of interesting when you think about it. But rule of thumb, don't go against the grain. Oil, I would not be looking for sales until I really need to see why. It's not even. What the fuck? This is a little tricky. I know this is the period separator opening, but it's not on it because this candle's so damn big. Pause. All right, cool. Let's lock that right there. Oh, it was ugly. Ugly. Ugly ass oil. So I'll play with it in a bit. Mark up oil. Oil ugly. Oil looking nice. Oil switching up. Oil looking good. Oil was ugly until you got to this time frame, and now looking good. I appreciate that, Forex Help Academy. I've been in the game too long. I feel old as hell. I just like where the industry is changing and social media platforms. Like, who would have known streaming would be a thing? I feel like I'm made for this shit. So I'm definitely gonna have my fun in this world. I feel like I found my new passion to create. I felt like that's the problem with me. I used to create so much back in the day that just went after COVID. Just, I don't know, creating just wasn't passionate. But streaming, I feel like I could be myself and y'all can see my personality with everything, and I could just refine that passion. I feel like that's so hard as a creator. People just feel like when they just start on a niche, they only could do that one niche, and that's all they will be known for. And they get stuck in this this phase, and it limits their creativity. It's kind of something similar to what Kai been talking about, to be honest. Like, I felt like I was that, and I just don't just trade. I do other stuff, you know? Like, I'm multi-talented in other things. All right, so this is long. Did I say this shit? No, I'm hoping to God I did not do that. I'm hoping to God I did not do that. Oh, hoping I did not do that. Let me see. Please tell me I did not do that. Okay, we're good. I thought I saved my shit on top of gold. I was about to be pissed. I appreciate that. I say name Pico Band, yeah, Pico Band. Appreciate you, man. Yeah, mental health is everything, y'all. That's all I can say. I'm happy in my life, so I'm back at it. Went through a little funky phase, drama, all that weird shit online. Just had to get away from all that negativity and just focus on me. 100, 62. Gold going to oil going to 69. Like that. We're going to 69 on gold. Damn. I'm about oil. I mean, if oil goes up, gas prices go up. If gas prices go up, that's annoying. I don't think I like trading oil just knowing that. You're looking at it, right? And it's like, hold on. Gas prices. This relates. Fuck it, capitalize in the forex markets.
Yeah. What a weed
Yeah, I had a forex play. I spelled it out FREXX because I couldn't write out the other one. Somebody had it. It's crazy how trading got so popular. Now you got people streaking the damn Super Bowl. Even though that's the homie. Trading just changes everybody's life up. Damn. Right there.
See that out for you, down I've been stalking you. Watching your story from my business page. The world is your playground, but my feelings ain't. Tips, down Julio, lemonade.
Got 38.2.
She call her friends, give them game. Simping, that nigga up in the lane.
Let me go look at gold real quick.
She don't wanna pick her friends up, take them to the clinic. Like you don't cost shit for 500, bitch, spend it. Your homegirl fucked the nigga raw again, didn't it? Always been a bad
Very fucking move.
Your daddy was a dog, he taught you how to stand on business. Hopping out the Maybach with a chopper and a pistol. Always had some paper, had a knot when I was little. Take a flip phone and make him get an 18-wheeler. And fill it up with Zion, come and park it in the city like beep, 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 beep.
Oil. Bullish. Fibonacci.
Watching your story from my business page. The world is your playground, but my feelings ain't. Tits, down Julio, lemonade.
Oh, that's oil for you. It's just been a strong consolidation. Oh no, that's not it. I need to fix that.
Look. How much do you love me, baby? Tell me, cause I gotta
Smooth.
know. Is your love gonna change when I'm away? Cause babe, I gotta go. Would you fuck with me if I wasn't up and I was down and broke? Cause I done been through
Alright.
and I've been trying to cope. It's gonna take some
Oil's
time to
done.
my anger. I'm not proud, I know. Might take it out on you cause you my lady. That's just how it goes. When temptation
It might more than likely start respecting this area to see what else we got. Why bullish pressure still applied. Gap definitely got filled with this wick, came back, consolidated, and it's been in this reality. Still overall bullish. Daily time frame definitely bullish. Price should be going to 69, meaning this is all open waters this week. What's today? Wednesday? Tuesday? Oh shit. Yeah, definitely see that happening. Still got that bullish pressure, nice double bottom. That means oil is looking to go up to $87 fucking dollars. Yeah, prices of gas is definitely going up. But gas is not that too expensive, depending on what you're driving, so and what you're using. But yeah, this is how dope the strategy is. Once you mark up your charts, you just pretty much chilling without overthinking too much.
I've been trying out like I'm a rookie trying to make your team. What you thinking about? Cause I'm a genie, I can make your dreams reality. I know I got aggressive and you gentle, so you mad at me. But
I see the whole silver thing. I think that would be my last pair on markup for the day. I mean, let's look at my watch list, to be honest. What we got? We got Bitcoin, Euro, Gold, NAS, Oil, SPX, US30. Does anybody want me to add anything else to this? So I'll just have it mentally ready for another day. I'm not adding GJ. I'm not adding anything JPY related. So silver, I could do silver.
You better not find a motherfucking dough. You better stay your ass right here and hold it down. Like I know you know how to hold it down. You ain't going nowhere. Yeah.
That's nice.
How much do you love me, baby? Tell me, cause I gotta know. Is your love gonna change when I'm away? Cause, babe, I gotta go. Would you fuck with me if I wasn't up and I was down and broke? Cause I done been through shit that fucked me up and I've been trying to cope.
The mod is gonna keep deleting things that look like gibberish, but I do see the pair that you wrote. You wrote CHF USD. Alex, I see. Pairs look like gibberish to Kick, unfortunately. But I see it.
Be more grateful.
Damn, CHF. Shit is ass.
Patient when the paper low. Nathan for a basic hoe. Never been a Superman.
Y'all in gold? Please tell me y'all in gold. Please tell me y'all got in this pair. I'm gonna mark up silver in a second. I'm gonna use the bathroom real quick before I get into that.
Try that shit and watch and see. Just put my voice on top the beat. None of these niggas topping me. I bought the Maybach car in August. Double back.
I'm gonna let this run. I'll be right back. Give me 2 seconds. I'm gonna use the bathroom.
Said what they gonna do to me. I told them niggas talk is cheap. Would have been the biggest in the world, but I told them I ain't got no fee to sell my soul. Ain't a check alive can make me come off what I'm standing on. Yeah, I still survived in this book. All of y'all, I stand alone. Before I let them handle me, if 100 million make them gay, that nigga ain't no man to me. Fuck that nigga, be yourself. Thuggin', I don't need no help. Comfortable, I keep it, yeah. Fuck with me, they see the belt. I asked the mirror on the wall, like, who the fuck you think the best? Who gon' get they people help? I looked up and I see myself, nigga. Yeah. Look. Patient when the paper low. Nathan for a basic hoe. Never been a Superman. Ain't been trying to save a hoe. Enough of this for all of us. The fuck you niggas waiting on. Baby kept it realer with you. Other niggas fake it though. Y'all let them niggas lead you wrong. They told you you ain't need my songs. A lot of y'all had took the bait. Apologize like leave me alone. I thought I was supposed to keep it real. I found out I ain't even know. Y'all saw them hide my ticket sales. It was hard for y'all to see my show. Dirty game, they play it raw. Ain't even wanna do this shit no more. I had to shake it off. God gave me a gift and I be damn. I let them make me soft. Be damn, I let them make me quit. Them devils still can't stand the way I stand in here and make these hits. That nigga, baby. Said that they need real music. I said, okay, come get it, baby. My daughters knew they daddy was that nigga when they was still a baby. I'ma take my losses, hold it down, and never let you feel it, baby. Don't no one keep it realer, baby. Yeah, patient when the paper low. Nathan for a basic hoe. Never been a Superman. Ain't been trying to save a hoe. Enough of this for all of us. The fuck you niggas waiting on. Baby kept it realer with you. Other niggas fake it though. I am out your business, but I could kick it till you get your knowledge if you listen. Just grind until it's finished. Keep them out your business. They probably ain't gon' frisk me, so I sneak in with the blicky. Then leave out with the bitches. Music, weed, and alcohol. I ain't had no sleep for like 2 days, like I'm on Adderall. Took her home and had a ball. Breakfast with the Tylenol. When I say took her home, ain't talking about my crib, nigga, not at all. Make me sick, cause I'm a dog. Wear his purse, cause he a bitch. Nigga hate himself, so he leave comments when he see the pics.
Alright, so we're back. I was gonna say some radio shit. Slipped my mind. I don't know what the fuck I was about to say. I do not know.
I was just bullshitting. And you know this, man.
Alright. There's a lot going on there. But yeah, as long as you're on gold, I'm gonna mark up silver. You know when coffee starts crashing you out? I'm there now. Need something to eat. All right, so we're gonna mark up silver. I'm like dreading that pair for some reason. Like, I don't even know why people like that shit. Silver. My bad. I just gotta get that off my chest. Fuck. All right.
Just grind until it's finished. Keep them out your business. Probably wouldn't frisk me, so I sneak them with the blicky. Then leave out with the bitch. Twisted weed and alcohol. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh God. I am tripping. XAU. What the hell? No, it's not XAU. What's the symbol for silver again? XAG? I'm so dreading this shit. I see it. Oh man. Alright, let's do it. Y'all getting me out my comfort zone.
But I'm looking up to the tower on here. Chrome with my pen, chrome with my hand, run on my side. Chrome with my heart, it got so cold when my dog died. Why you wanna leave me told, baby girl, I'm just tired. He can be out bad, but I tell him that I'm just fine. Yeah. Fall out, then we make up. Fucking, then we break up. Knowing how I get, she get to me on the wake up. Fall out, then we make up. Fucking, then we break up. She knowing how I get, she get to me on the wake up.
Yeah, wake me up with their head like it's breakfast. You won't give them a clue, I won't tell it. You my boo, I fit you in my schedule. Play it right, we could do this forever. She argue with me, get the nagging and bugging. She just want me to be mad when I fuck her. I break her in half, we make up, then she fuck around, wake up and still be back mad in the morning. She missing me, I'm on the road, but she know that I'm lit. I just went got a bad performing. Them bitches on me and she know it. I don't have interest in them, I don't show it. Got all kind of shit on my mind, can you hold me? I stand without 10 on the ground, I'm a soldier. She be common sense several times, I done told you. I ain't going for shit with that, I'ma blow it. She popping the shit tonight, she taking over. I sat with my dick on the ground and she rolled it. Every time I get her around, I'ma fold it like a Motorola. We fucking and we
fall out, then we make up.
Yeah.
Fucking, then we break up. She knowing how I get, she get to me on the wake up. Fall out, then we make up. Fucking, then we break up. She knowing how I get, she get to me on the wake up.
That's my baby.
I've barely been using my secondary H1. The only reason why I have a secondary, by the way, is if I have a bullish and bearish bias intraday. So if I did the wrong one, I have the answer on the other one. Now, I just left that up for teacher purposes, but I don't personally been using the secondary. Just wanted to bring that up if y'all see it. All right, cool. Let's save this as a blank. Okay, that's starting to move again. Hold up. I was just looking away for a couple of damn seconds.
gonna do in this bitch, nigga? We gonna shake it. Yo. Shake it. Bitch. Bitch. Look. S-H-A-K motherfucking E. Listen up, bitch, I got the motherfucking T. I love a classic girl, but she can't be born. You gotta shake that ass if you wanna fuck with me. Push this shit, I'm a motherfucking P. Turn shit, not nobody wanna fucking leave. Ain't tricking, but I got him up my motherfucking sleeve.
Give me a second, y'all.
I wanna motherfucking breathe. Shake it. I looked dead in her eyes and I told her, hey, look, shake it. Yeah, like shake the spot, get the fuck on, you know what I'm saying? Hey, bitch, shake it. There's so many ways I can use shake it, you know what I'm saying? But look, let's go. Yeah. All I wanna be is your number one nigga one time. I'm gonna make you love me. I'm gonna make you love me. All I wanna be is your number one nigga one time. Yeah, shorty, what is on your mind? What is on your fuck all that I'm on your line. Yeah, maybe you should swing my way. Cause them other niggas wasting your time. Babe, look, them niggas ain't talking about shit. Them niggas can't talk to my bitch. Them pretty niggas talking about drip. Feel the way I'm popping my shit. I'm nothing like none of these niggas. Yeah, the media be all on my dick. Come on, let's see the way I'm popping out.
Give me a second. I'm about to mark it up. I have to answer this real quick.
I get inside my feelings, it's a Columbine. I only pay attention to the dollar signs. He talking crazy like you wanna see a nigga, but I run into that pussy nigga all the time. You can give me any beat and I'ma walk it down. Why you calling on them niggas, baby? Call on John. I'm gonna make you love me. I'm gonna make you love me. All I wanna be is your number one nigga one time.
Where are we at?
Been through hell and back and now I'm hurt. And life without you only make it worse. Yeah, it's worse. I know you probably think that I'm a flirt. Cause I'm a flirt. Yeah, it's Kurt. Nigga, type to how you calling out of work. Walk around the house inside my shirt. Let me have my ride inside your purse.
Where the hell is it low?
Yeah, I'm gonna make you love me. Yeah, I'm gonna make you love me. All I wanna be is your number one nigga one
All right.
time. Shorty, what is on your mind? What is on your? I let 'em on your line. Yeah, maybe you should swing my way. Cause them other niggas wasting your time. Flowing like the water, I be floating like a tadpole. Hustle line, go get what I want, and I'm a
Oh,
asshole.
damn.
Watch the way you talk to me. Please
Oh,
don't
this pair just.
trying to tell you it's gonna get bad, bro. Trying to working on my temper.
I was looking at the monthly. I ain't even get too far in this yet, but I'm just saying from my personal expertise. The first month, Sierra just so happened to hit both TP1 and 2. So what the fuck are we gonna do on this pair? Let's get a consolidate or something. Let's figure it out. But I'm just saying, this had hit full momentum. I'm just saying, like, look at this shit. Bang, bang. That's crazy. That motion is different. That needs to go back down. How do you get period separators? You go to indicators. You add the indicator. So add indicator. You can type it. Period separator. And then you can favorite it. And then, I mean, these are the ones that I use. I came in law. This looked like a head and shoulders pattern on silver. And that big ass drop. Definitely can't be a buyer's bias. Stop losses would have got smoked. So we are bearish here.
And this baby, nigga, the best fucking rapper, nigga. Top 5, not 5, nigga. Or 3 or 2, nigga. Yeah,
0.
yeah. Rain, go away, come again another day. Lazy
TP didn't even
niggas
get
make it
hit.
hard.
38.2 to the downside.
Fourth and goal line in this bitch. When you fuck with me, you better get it right. You fumble that, won't get another play. I'm just out here walking around with these stripes like I'm a referee. I'ma blow that whistle from the crowd every time they fucking play. I don't be liking none of these niggas round. I get the feeling out they vibe. You know what mine, they about went down.
Yeah, I got you. You're welcome.
I just need my bitch with me. Chocolate nigga, trick or treat. Options nigga,
No
switch the beat. Pop a nigga, pistol Pete. That back and forth gon' get to them. That talking don't do shit for me. I'm hot like when the fish in grease. Let's pop it when the shit release. In pocket like a mobile phone. I'm out here like a mobile home. Would've made my
Only thing that makes sense is short that.
Can't believe how the shit come out that I'm even an artist that never wrote a song, but I'm the hardest nigga. You know, baby, nigga.
Could be inverted.
Yeah.
It's kind of interesting. Can't even lie. I gotta think. All right. So monthly time frame hit TP1, TP2. Weekly time frame, same concept. Price pulls back. D1 price is in a seller's bias. TP has not been hit. 100 moving average stopped it. Still to a downside. Because we don't have enough data for it to go to the upside. And if I did bullish, would I hit stop loss? I'm just venting to myself, gang. Which leads me into the H4 concept, into this daily concept. Price has to go down more. It's a short month. It's 28 days. We're already 2 weeks in. I'm going bearish. Double top off the 50. Nice crossover. 200 moving average used as a SMA. All right, so I'm just shorting this shit.
Yeah. Like I said, I had to face all kind of shit, you know what I'm saying? The be like this, nigga, the see like this.
Oh my fucking god, I hate when that happens. Clocked. It's 100, 0. It's 56.3, which is right about a 57. Should get around that area. Wake it up. Definitely looking at sells.
Great for the album, you know what I'm saying? I appreciate y'all patience with me, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Told her it's your world, baby. I'm just out here living in it. Feel like fuck the world lately.
You know, my impulsive thoughts almost got me involved in that. I was really contemplating to not do this, but I was short of that. Now, this is where it's tricky. H1. H1 has a bullish outlook. It's close bullish. Can't knock that.
Think about what I'm trying to do. But with me, I see them whoop they ass and they be trying to sue. She saw me, shot at me, I passed, but she was kind of cute. They think I'm in the box and I just laugh because I be trying to shoot.
Zoom in for y'all a little bit. Get out there. The only thing about this is like, I see sellers vote, volume kicking in. And this H1 is like bullish, and it's like, when I see stuff like this, I usually pass on the pair at the end of the day. I'm not gonna even crack myself over the head. I see sellers market on the weekly, the daily. H4. And then the H1 is bullish, and it's like, hold up. Makes it a little tricky. Lower highs. We need to do lower lows. H1 should be bullish. And I can't go against the grain because it is a bullish closure, so I have to leave the bullish setup.
So price could go back up and then drop. I'm not a fan of the motion right now on this. I just have a bearish outlook on it, and I'm gonna leave it at that. I ain't touching it because I have a bearish outlook, and it's going against what I'm seeing here, because it could retrace, and I'm not feeling that. But overall, bearish outlook currently. That's just why I think about oil. So I'm gonna leave that alone. Get back over here, get the vibes. That makes sense for y'all on the whole gold outlook a little bit. My bad. Silver outlook. Bearish pullback on gold. No. I feel like we just buying. We just gotta get them dips. Buy those lows. So right now we in that low. It's just retraced back down to, you know, what it is, how the market opened up. We're just floating above 5K. Keep in mind, 5K is a real strong area of support currently. Hence the consolidation, and that goes into this outlook of here. Right here when the market gapped up, and you can see how it gapped here. It just went full blitz mode. But yeah, 5K is a strong area. I had marked off last year, but then last year I was talking about it. I was like, gold should go to 4,000. And as you notice, gold's got to 4,000. I didn't expect it to go to 5,000 this fast. So the fact that prices around 5,000, it's like, yeah, it's also, I'm gonna say psychological level. We can call it for what it is. It's a quarters theory. I'll give you that. Bam. If you want to learn about those psychological levels, don't listen to what you see online. This is what it is. All right. Major, large, quarter point, 5,000. So y'all understand what that is. Quarters theory. It's a book. I looked at that book to brush up on understanding the philosophy of quarters theory. That ain't my strategies. That's somebody else's. Hence the book. So when you see people talking about psychological levels, and what they also call it key levels, it's a quarters theory. QPs, quarter points, real terminology. But definitely it is a major large quarter point. So we do got that. I used to trade that shit so much, and then I've just stopped. Fibonacci changed the whole reality of everything for me. It's just like a cheat code. Oh, that's why I gotta mark up the monthly. Yeah.
Can't go sad for nothing. Fuck on me good and don't ask for nothing. Crank on them niggas and crash on something. Baby, let's let them know ashes on. Back in the whip in the handicap spot in the front.
No.
Make sure it don't get no scratches on. Get up and go get some money today. Feel it's a third, put a gun in your face. Baby girl say I'm too much, it's okay. I don't be giving a fuck anyway. You know Zodiac, bitch, I'm a Capricorn nigga. I hustle too hard and I'm stuck in my way. When I walk in this bitch, get the fuck out of the way. Fuck around a nigga, get punched out his way.
Yep.
They put on up, if you buck, it's okay. I wake you little niggas up for the day. What's the best part of me waking up? Somebody did make me some bacon.
Let me say that over here. That 5,000 is also being used as resistance, so they found me in 2017. That's what's up. Love that. Love to see it. But if you think about the quarters theory in a sense, price gets above the major large, is gonna go revisit the major large half point, and then we see hesitation, hence reversal, and that's kind of like where price went to anyways. The dope part about quarters theory, and I will say, even though I use Fibonacci and it gives me all my answers, if we're into this unknown charting territory and it's just nothing above and nothing below, and we don't know where the hell the market's gonna go, you apply those quarters theory and it's just gonna apply to what needs to be done. But or you just use Fibonacci and just knock all that shit out. You know, so it helps with the uncharted territory stuff. But yeah, look at that zone. Perfect. In the 50 on the 5,500 area, that's market hesitation from major large half point. So we could have hesitation and price, as you can see, declined. I shorted this shit off of TP3. So it still went hand in hand, which is pretty cool. And I feel like the masterclass is a lot more faster to apply the strategy, because when you're doing quarter points, it's good to know the numbers, but drawing it out is such a headache. It takes so much time. It's frustrating. And I feel like in trading, nobody really wants to do all of that. Like, people want to just get active. Ooh. All right, so we got this in motion. Slow as fuck. Apparently, it's a slow volume day, gang. Can't even hold you. I was hoping that we get more motion. Is it necessary to look at higher time frames past the monthly for more? Hold on, higher time frames past the monthly? No. We stop at the monthly, man. I'll stop at the H1. I don't even bother going to the M30 and stuff. If you really think about it, H1 is your intraday trading chart, right? So anything less than that is still the same thing. So they're all gonna do the same thing. Respect the fibs. So looking at a smaller candle or smaller time frame to look at candlesticks to do the same thing on a price point. The only difference is that you're looking at more candlesticks to validate a pattern that's gonna print regardless on that price point. You see what I'm saying? So it's like looking at a smaller time frame. This is just extra psychological work that you're doing to yourself for no reason. So it makes you overthink things. So I'll stop at H1. So I don't have to overthink. I don't want to overthink. Now, if you're trading options and stuff like that, I could understand the necessity to go lower than the H1 so we could trade the expiries. But we're not trading options, so it's pointless to go that low. Some people go lower to do scalping, but in reality, what is a scalp? It's an intraday move. So you're still going to utilize the higher time frames, H1 and stuff, and still get on the move because it's still off of a price point. So I just stop there at H1 personally. I could scalp at H1. Ain't much different. You could take scalps on PRZ to PRZ, or you could catch pullbacks. Let's see what's going on with Euro. That shit's still pretty slow. Well, I guess the market's gonna do what it gotta do. It's gonna take some time. Sucks. Let's go look at this. Everything is 1-1 or better too. Perfect risk to rewards across the board. I just can't wait for this one right here. Look at these spreads. I fucking love this platform. Well, broker really. I love the LPs that they use. All right. Get bias off H1 and H4 and take entries off the M5. But ask yourself, what's the point of getting an entry on the M5 when you're still getting in on the same price if you was on H1? The spreads on liquid is tight. They have tier 1 liquidity, so they're gonna have the best spreads possible. Like best raw spreads. And the only way you could get tier 1 liquidity is if you have a regulatory license. That's why I also don't like unregulated platforms. After I got put onto all that stuff, it was a no-brainer. One, regulated, there's repercussions. I mean, they can't fuck with your money. Someone goes to jail, right? And I'm talking about truly regulated, like ASIC type shit. You know, that's what this is, right? So, strong license, one. And then two, to get tier 1 liquidity, you need to be regulated. And tier 1 liquidity gives you best spreads. Best spreads possible. When you're unregulated, you will never get tier 1 liquidity, so you're always gonna have shitty ass spreads because you can't get approved. So a lot of people don't know that. That's how I'm be saying, yo, just trade regulated. Y'all be straight. Y'all gonna get the best stuff. You're not getting Walmart, you're getting Top Shelf. The noise on N5 is insane. Yep, can't do it. Liquidity on liquid is amazing. I've been so close to stop loss and didn't stop me out like it would on other brokers. Such a relief that I can set a stop. Yeah, so that also goes back into it as well. When you have good liquidity, you're not getting slippage on some weird stuff. On regular platforms, will give you crazy ass slippage because they're manipulating your price. Hence, they don't have tier 1 liquidity. You know what I'm saying? So that does stuff. That's why I once again, like this platform. It's what I feel like is honestly a lot. Even though I promote it, I feel like it's just good for people to trade on it, to be honest. Like just because of tier 1 liquidity. And the fact that they really rectify issues. It's just a trustworthy platform, straight up. Yeah, I will always promote owning good stuff, good products. I will leave people for if I know they're doing bad products. As you can see, from my past I stopped dealing with certain people, called them out, didn't like it. So you stand for something, you stand for nothing. And I didn't like how they were trying to play me like a video game. So I'll cut ties with certain people just because of bad business. Talking about put your community on. Fuck out of here. Couldn't do it. I couldn't do it to myself. Couldn't even do it to y'all. So. You don't really need the H12. Once you start messing with H4s, it's fine. You know, because you got all these planes, charts to play on. H12 is typically just H4. Just, less candles. But still going to give you the same message. Now you understand my TL stance. Hence, unregulated, not using tier 1 liquidity. Hint, hint. Hint, 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 hint. See what I'm saying? Like, y'all gotta also understand, like, this platform here, woo, this platform here will tell you what it is. So. As you can see, clean, full license, perfect, no issues. So I personally just like using this personally. But then you could do your own due diligence on, oh, fuck yeah, I don't even care. I'm doing this one. That boy pissed me off the other day. I know people that's using this. Y'all could do your own due diligence when it starts saying stuff like this. And y'all just, I'm not gonna even go through this whole website. Y'all go through the website and y'all figure out what platforms y'all would like to use. I trade on what I like, and I'll show you why. And then you have people promoting platforms that clearly look like this, and self-explanatory. There's another one too. There's another one too that I know y'all see outside. People be promoting this like, I don't even understand why. But yeah, let me not stir up the waters. Have a habit. Have a bad habit. Have a bad habit. Trying to change my ways. You follow the right people, you follow the blind.
Yeah, you can play the wrong way and the Drake gon' blow. She gon' hit the dance floor till she can't no more. Play the wrong way.
Oh man. Y'all gotta understand, like, I'm not gonna guide y'all down the wrong path in the ditch. I'm gonna tell you what to use. For a reason, I've been preaching it. I said it. I dropped my nuts. I told everybody what it is. People can hate me, they can love me, but one thing I will not do is have people come after me in this industry and take advantage of people while I just watch it because they want to get $1. Matter of fact, I got some smoking engines still from one other brand. And they've been pissing me off too. They blocked me. Hold up. You hear this shit right here? See this shit right here? See that shit right here? I hate this motherfucking platform. I hate this motherfucking platform. And y'all gotta understand, this platform here, horrible. Y'all just need to do y'all own due diligence on that website. There's a lot of red flags. Y'all just gotta do y'all due diligence. That's what I'm saying. I'll try to put people onto good things, but they came at me in my DMs because I called them out. Pop they shit in my DMs. I said, how you popping your shit in my DMs on the company page? Somebody got emotional. And then proceeds to block me. Interesting. That lets you know everything. So I was like, y'all done for that. Because I ain't never going to be quiet. Then there's people sensitive on that brand that want to like threaten me because I call them out. But yeah, it's not their brand. But yet they're taking advantage of other people. Stupid shit. Stupid. Just fuck it down. I'm cool with Sean though. Me and Sean, we squashed those issues. He apologized. We're now like copacetic cordial terms. But yeah, but there's nothing wrong with affiliate commissions. You could get it. Like I get paid affiliate commissions. I'm not against that. It just make sure you're teaching them right education, putting them on healthy, good platforms. Don't screw the client. Don't screw your audience, and have fun doing it the right way. That's all this should be. But most people, they just see it as a money grab. They're like, well, let me screw my people over because they don't know me, and let me go do this. And that's fucked up. So I don't stand for that. It's messed up. I don't know. I don't like it. Because when that client gets fucked over, they're going to be like, yo, Ryan, I was training on so-and-so platform. I should have listened. I'm like, yeah, you should have. And then here I go. I got to help them get better at the craft. 1, 2, get right back on track. And 3, I would hate it if somebody did it to me. So I personally just try to be people's voice. I try to stay out the way too at the same time. But there's nothing wrong with being a good affiliate. Look at Kai. He's an affiliate of Twitch. Look at Speed, an affiliate of YouTube. Look at Aiden, affiliate of Kick. You see what I'm saying? So you got people that, you know, they're doing what they want, but me personally, I'm trying to just focus on my affiliate money and just offer value. I don't want people paying me for shit. Just let me do my affiliate thing and offer value and put them on good products that actually, and that's the thing about affiliate marketing. There's great products to use. So why not? Just put them on a good product. And if they support you and you giving them value, they're going to lock in with you. It's good business. Now, the other thing is, I get it on a one business model. I can't do free because it's sports locks. They ain't just, I got business partners and shit. I can't just floor that 100% free. I could drop a pick free every now and then, but for that, that's a little bit different, to be honest. But outside of that, I'll just try to do as much free stuff as possible. Just focus on an affiliate bag. Call it a day. You know what I mean? That's what makes it fun. I feel like affiliate marketing is just such a more peaceful thing to do than just focus on, let me sell this, let me sell that, let me high ticket this, let me high ticket that. Nah. Find a product that makes sense, and when people win, you win too. And that's why I like this whole philosophy for me on this whole lot stuff. When y'all win and y'all lots go up, I make more money. When y'all blow your accounts, that does not help me. I'll lose money. I don't make a lot of money from that. That sucks. So I don't want y'all losing. I need y'all to win trades. So we need to get in all the good trades together. Trade your lots. Size up that account. Have fun with it. Change your lot. Every platform requires KYC. There's platforms that don't have a KYC. And the minute they don't have a KYC, be careful, because you will get straight up. So just make sure you're using the good stuff. That's why I said just use what I use. You good. But they have a KYC. Obviously, they're regulating.
None of you niggas around me, nigga. Man, you niggas ain't the same, nigga. We ain't nothing alike, nigga. This baby.
Fuck, go just so slow.
You even think of Kirk, nigga. When you even speak of Kirk, nigga.
I'm just hoping that shit was gonna make some moves.
This shit different. Ready to tie the knot just because you get a ring. Look her in the eyes and told you fucking with a king.
I love my cats. I got 2 Bengals. They tore me up. I got scratches all over this shit. I gotta learn that. Their claws are sharp as hell. But I like cats. You know, I got a Frenchie. I got 2 Bengals. They're playful as hell. A lot of energy. They cuddle a lot compared to the dog. Dogs is more chill. Keep you alone. You know, they vibe. Cats, they just want to be in all your shit. Like, I'm here drinking chicken broth, right? I'm warming it up. My cat looking at me like, nah, that's mine. I'm trying to put my paw in my damn cup. Shit aggravating. If they like what they like, they're going to go get it. It's not even my house. It's their house. So that's the only thing about having a cat, you know, I guess. It's not my crib anymore. It's their crib. I got to have one of my cats know how to open up doors. So I got to have fucking child locks on all my doors so they don't open it. Bro, that one particularly. All he does is just jump on that shit, go like this, puts his paw underneath the door, and he's gonna roll up in any room he want. Shit aggravating. I don't even know how he got that smart. Bengals are smart as shit. But yeah, so I like cats. Keep me entertained. Funny as hell. But yeah, this is crazy. My cat just be opening up doors like they SWAT or something. Just jump on there, hit that, kick it open. I'm like, God damn. I had to go buy child locks. Shit sucks. Yeah, them cats be smart as hell. My dog, he don't know how to open doors. So it works out. But I know one thing, he know how to pee on the door. When he don't get his way, get his ass beat. I'll beat my dog. I'll just put him in a cage. Put him on timeout. Should be aggravating. But that's when he was younger. Now he's older. I don't have to worry about that stuff. Had my dog since 2018. So. What's this? Fortunately, gold is not letting us be great today. I hate when the market is slow. It's just, man, it's stuck in consolidated markets. I feel like Euro USD was great. I caught the explosive move yesterday. I saw the explosion of US30. And every time I've been tapping gold this week, it's just been this. What the fuck am I gonna do with this? Can't do shit. It's been whack. Oh shit, we back in profit. $28. Oh, damn, it's gone. I need that. Yeah, my cats have no like logical empathy on how to calm the fuck down. You know, when you had a long day, you want to lay up and just watch some TV. Nah, my cat don't care about none of that. It's playtime until it's sleep time. And the fucking fact that they nocturnal and shit. Y'all see cute cats and shit. I see hell. It's like, damn, I played with you for 5 hours. It's my time to relax and watch TV. Nope, can't do that. Gotta keep playing. And then you want to have your own space, so you try to push them off of you so you could like stretch out. Nah, my cat gotta lay directly on top of me. And then headbutt me to get his, it's just one of those things. It's like, all right, you got it. And y'all be wondering why I'll be waking up late coming to the damn computer to do these sessions. I'll wake up at 7 because my dog barks at 7 religiously for no fucking reason, just to get the dog walker to walk him at 8. Shit's aggravating. So I'm up at 7, but I'm not really up at 7. I'm trying to go back to sleep for like 20 minutes or something. I know I gotta be on the computer by 9. That's why I'm trying to do my schedule. I mean, I'm trying to get back into the rhythm, but god damn, pets be worse than damn kids. They are kids. Dogs, I like it. You get sleep. Just in the morning, you don't get that sleep. Cats, you're not getting sleep all night. Gold, shit look like it ain't gonna do too much. I need to change genres. It's on the new side of things. Bad Bunny. Where are you? I can't lie. Let's go here. That is nuts. That is a lot going on there. J. Cole's album came out? I'm late. Hold up. Go to album. Where are you? All right, it's not there. Fall off.
I might just be the president. Please with the
No, why do I have this like slow moment right now? Take you.
Picture my soul climbing out an infinite hole. When niggas die over pride and live for the dough. If I survive, then I'll strive to hit with the flow. Hoping these waves of pain.
There's 29 and 39. Stop. Bruh, I'm late. Oh, I gotta listen to this shit. All right, fuck yeah. Maybe getting some motion. Getting some motion. I'm hungry as fuck.
Jermaine, what's the word? I got a new number, delete that old one. By now I'm sure you must have heard about how I got jammed up and had to sit some.
Yeah, I like the web version.
This was a quick one. I never hit you cause I know niggas be playing victim. Begging you for big sums of dough when income's low. That ain't my style, it'll never be. To me, you'll always be my dog, not a celebrity. And plus you did enough, wide me bands way back when it was rough. Last night when it was dusk, ran in the chisel at Cross Creek. You know how he be moving like he in a rush. Told him come through to the crib.
The web version is where it's at. This ain't Jamaican food. This is just avocado, mango, and eggs.
Since we joke like that, yo, I seen Brina on the gram. She don't post like that, but both she still bad. One of the baddest bitches the field had. A lot of these hoes falling off, and it's real sad how time can rob us of our best days.
I want the Aki though. I forgot to order that shit.
But anyways, what's up? I thought about you. Holla at me, I would love to catch up. I know you busy, but you in my prayers. God bless you in your affairs. Stay aware, cause real niggas is red, dog. Say Westside Clips. Throw your hands up. I know the whole world blowing up your phone. I wanna know, nigga, when you coming home.
Oh, in general, yeah, facts. I'm about to get me a beef patty later.
Hey, boy, what's going on?
Juicy patty.
When you don't respond, dog. I know your heart and I know I bond. I know a lot is on your plate and more is on your mind. But still, I hit you time to time when you crossing mine. I heard that Big Ma died and no, I couldn't tell you the
eggs on my damn keyboard.
Been leaving brothers cross-eyed and things. Can't tell what's killing more niggas. Drugs are crossfire. When moms cry, it's a shame. As of late, I've seen an uptick in motorcades, but not for the president. These processions are for the negligent. So I don't care to hang out. These younger niggas even quicker than I was to bang out. Oh shit, forgot to say I got a daughter now. Here's a picture, she's starting to look more like a father now. When she cries, her mama put on your songs to calm her down. It's wild.
God damn. This song is fuck.
You made it out of few things are better when a nigga from the bottom get rich. Although I'm sure it brings its own set of
I mean, breakfast at 12. Fuck. Crazy.
Like, what's up with old buddy that's making songs about you? Was about to punish some vicious, but then I thought about you and what you would say.
Bro, look at that mango. Perfection. That tahini. You know what I'm saying?
Chance. So many of our peers passed away through the years. My appreciation.
Breakfast is like an all-day thing we could do.
Last night from medical conditions that were too advanced for doctors to intervene. They couldn't do a thing. They say he dwindled away until his size was that of a figurine. It seems just like a mystery. Some say it was acquired immune.
I swear, I eat like a fucking vacuum cleaner.
Since we was kids, he lived in a closet, but that changed soon as he went to college. Up there wilding at A&T.
That's on full-time trading.
Tight pants, switching their hips, painting their nails. So niggas from the Ville had to distance ourselves. He felt the way.
Just make sure you stay in the game by using risk management.
So he could be free, but years later, I heard they seen him
Maybe they'll go against it. It's over.
I shook my head, but still I began to feel bad. It's like his lifestyle was blocking all the love that we had. We turned our backs on him. Some of us called him a nah, times changed, I know that's wrong. Now that we grown, I wish I could apologize cause we did him wrong. Man, why I feel like recently.
Oh, that was disgusting.
Rest in peace to your boy Filthy. I heard about that too. Last summer, a lot of brothers had got murdered out the blue. Shit was wild, but anyhow.
Ooh. That. I got shit in my teeth. I know I do. I'm not gonna carry the shit in my teeth.
But I bet it mean a lot to his family to see your face. If you can make it home, the viewing is on Thursday, funeral on Friday, by plane or by highway, you're safe.
Streaming schedule from 9 to 12. That would be my realistic shit. Alright. But I have honestly, like, I'll be real. I call it spade a spade. My goal is to stream and be one of the top biggest trading streamers in the game, period. Right? That's this goal I have. And I know I can do it. But we need lots of support. So the more support I get, people, you know, gifting, subscribing, all that streamer fun shit, the more I will be okay to just stay on for hours and hours and hours and hours and hours. I wouldn't care. Right? So my goal right now is to stream from 9 to 12. Then do other things in the realm of streaming, so it's not just trading. So trading per se, 9 to 12, and then have, you know, I could go IRL, I could do just chatting, I could go reacting, I could go gaming, you know, just turn it into an experience. Just not just the charts. I mean, charts is the charts, so, you know, we can always just jump back and look at it. I'd rather be a Kick partner than a Purple app partner. For a reason. One, let's start with this. Purple app, they pay you a lot less. Everybody's on a 50-50 starting. You know, you can get the primes, all that stuff. You know, it is what it is. But you can't also do forex on Purple app. Green app, Kick. You can do forex, so that's cool. And they have a 95.5. And there's no ads. So it creates more, you know, interaction, more moments. Now, the pros and cons, people like the Twitch platform, Purple app, just because when there's ads, people will subscribe to you, so you can shut off those ads. And Kick, there's no ads, so it gives that moment of people thinking, well, I don't need to subscribe to you or do any of that stuff because there's no ads. So you see a lot of people go to Purple app just so they could get more subscribers. Me personally, if you fuck with me, you're gonna do that regardless. So I'd rather be on Kick, get paid more for my time on subs, and just make it more of an experience. This is gonna be my Life Real Quick TV type broadcast type thing. That's the goal. You know what I'm saying? So I'll be on here gaming. I'm gonna do gaming as well on TikTok. I'm gonna do that dual stream, multi-stream shit. I'm gonna turn it into an experience. That's just my goal. Turn it into a fun vibe. And as time goes on, we're gonna get more people viewing. We're gonna get more followers. We're gonna turn this more into an interactive community. Hop on the streams. We're gonna get the Discord to flow with the streams. You know what I'm saying? So everyone can chop it up with people. That was my goal originally, to use the Twitter community so everyone can like put faces on people and see who's who, and, you know, interact and build a better network. But it ain't what I thought. So I'm scratching the whole Twitter idea. I'm gonna bring Discord back into play and, you know, do streams. And then it's gonna get better. I'm gonna do giveaways. I'm planning to pay people's rent. I'm planning to pay people's light bill. I'm planning to pay and do more things, giveaways, who knows? I could give away a camera. I could give away maybe a 10K care package to go get your ultimate trading setup. I don't know. I'm turning into some stuff. But I want to stream all of this good stuff I'm about to be doing. Turn it into an experience. Because I see these streamers, they exist, they're cool, but I ask myself, what value are they really giving? What life-changing skill is any streamer giving outside of, damn, that person's entertaining?
Real talk. I could watch all the entertaining people, don't mean I'm getting a lifelong changing skill that's gonna change my whole generational tree. You see what I'm saying? I know I got that gift. I could change the game. So why not? Everybody's gonna try to do what I do, but guess what? The sauce ain't gonna be the same. And on top of that, which is gonna be a true statement, a lot of people going to sugarcoat what they could do on the computer while they're trading because they're trying to sell you onto a product or service. So they can't reveal everything. They have to hold back. I'm not holding back nothing. I'm unfiltered. That's why I'm gonna stand out. So that's my whole goal. I could go in this and feel comfortable. I ain't selling nothing. I appreciate that few FB. Fihu. Oh, okay, I got it. Took me some time. Fihu FX. Appreciate you. I'm trying to get a stream with DDG. I already reached out to him. I sent him like 800 subs, gifted subs. Got his attention, but let's see where that goes. But yeah, I'm planning to definitely link up with some celebs and do some streaming collabs IRL. So it's not just trading, you know what I'm saying? Switch it up, have some fun. Trading is cool and all, but I'm like I have a personality outside, you know. Damn, can I put this shit in there? Yeah, the purple app gives you discoverability. But there's one thing I did learn about discoverability. You create. And this is why I want everybody to learn in the game of building your character up as an influencer. YouTube is king. You create your content and you display it. And when you do, people will follow it. Even though discoverability is better on the purple app, you get to still take this same video that I'm doing. I could post it on YouTube and still get it clipped up, all that stuff, hire clippers if I need to, and still get that same exposure. It just I use Kick. You see what I'm saying? So that's what I've been doing. I've been taking all my content, dropping it. Y'all can see all the unfiltered shit. Oh, Ryan got in that trade. He actually talked his shit, but he actually made sense. And we all saw the process of it. I didn't just jump on it and did all this weird stuff y'all see going on online with these traders, because I'll just be watching. I'd be like, I don't even know what the fuck you're talking about. There's no real strategy here. Me, I'm showing you a strategy that I know works. Not just, damn, should I throw the sub? Alright, fuck it. I'm not here showing you a strategy that you see people copying ICT and calling it something different. I'm not gonna even say the brand, but you know, something different. And acting like they up M's in a day. But the lifestyle don't add up to M's. Y'all see what I'm on for years. You know, it adds up. But you got people that want to be like Elon Musk in the night. I don't understand it. But it gets people's eyeballs, I guess, gets their attention, be like, damn, you're doing something. I want to learn. But yeah, ain't got nothing to really offer because they're free too. They're getting paid on lots, just like me, but not really offering. I hate seeing dumb shit. If you're going to get paid off lots, offer the good shit. Do this shit for real. Don't act like you're just trying to farm views and attention to be Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos in one night, in a week. Shit don't make no sense. Been in the game for 11 years. Ain't no trader in the history of trading is doing that. And if they all trust and believe, it will show louder than those damn numbers. It's just aggravating. But I'm not saying no names. People like, yo, Ryan, worry about you. Focus on you. Stop calling that boy out. Yeah. Ain't nothing about a call out. All I'm going to say is, at the end of the day, right is right, wrong is wrong. That's the main thing. Right is right, wrong is wrong.
But I seen it. I see it. I see it for what it is. Right is right, wrong is wrong. But people are young, and I understand that. They just want to make money by any means. But how does that help? Put it like this. How are you trading something? How are you giving away value, but you're not even trading your own stuff for real? You see what I'm saying? That's like saying, would you trust somebody driving a car without a license? You're not. You see what I'm saying? I don't think that's a good analogy. What I'm trying to say is, in the trading worlds, you cannot be preaching this strategy or what you got going on in trading, but you're not even using it for real yourself. You see what I'm saying? And there's a lot of these fake guys, traders online that's been preaching that they're really doing this stuff, but yet they're not even doing it for real for themselves. But they rather sell you onto a product or run it up on some affiliate deal. But they'll just be looking like, damn, really trade for real. Learn something for real and then do that. Don't just try to excel past into some fast lane like you're driving a Lamborghini and you're just trying to reach the highest epitome of success. Nah, grind that shit up like everybody else. But hey, people gonna get swindled because they're content creators. That's why I'm doing this as well. Like, I want to shed light into, without name dropping, just want to shed light that there's real people like me that really do this. I got a passion for this, that knows they shit. You just got to be put on. The problem is, if I ain't creating the content, you can't get put on. You got to get told from organic people that been in the game, that know me, and that know what I do. But if I create enough content, self-explanatory. So that's where this whole, I want to do this. I don't want to just do Zooms. I want to create. I want to get back involved. And I feel like this sparked my excitement level on the streamer perspective. And once again, I know my strategy works, so I ain't got to sit here and hide nothing. Strategy makes you understand it while I'm doing it. It's like, oh shit, do make sense, you know. And for those that are new or want the strategy, at the end of the day, you just have to go get it. Definitely appreciate that. Yeah, and that's also the beauty about trading. It's like, you can take what you know from some other people and you recreate yourself and trade your own stuff, you know. Like me, I taught myself my strategy. Didn't have a mentor, but I had fun doing it. I mean, supply zone, demand zones. Write it down. I'll tell you. It's pretty easy. Ultimate highs and ultimate lows within period separators. Ultimate highs and ultimate lows within period separators. All you're looking for is tip of body to tip of wick. So this will be an ultimate low right here, and this will be an ultimate high right here. So I marked the low of this period and the high of that period. Demand at the bottom, supply at the top. You understand? That's how you do your zones. This one is a dub. Close down. We're in motion, baby. We in motion. We in motion. I need to upload my other fucking phone. Fucking phone. I'm about to kill myself. Fuck J. Cole. I don't even want this role. Wanna rebuild myself. Tuck my pole under the driver's seat. Nigga, don't try to reach. I bust a hole right in your frontal lobe. That's a lobotomy 2 months ago. I was on bus road. Nigga done spotted me. Said, what's up, Cole? Nigga, I love you, Bo. He said he proud of me. That touched my soul. Wasn't too long ago that I was over here. 71st middle. Had my very first little girlfriend. Never let me get a feel or two. Back then it was
Boy, you better be fucking on something. My mama ain't never even give me no rubbers. Papa was gone. How to put Trojan on was something I had to discover. All on my own. Y'all know the song. I probably been singing this shit for
What the fuck?
Part of me if
Shot
I
in the
sounded
ankle.
like some broken record. I come from the brokers
Baby,
on
I was
home.
on the Super Bowl.
Come from the brokers on home.
That's crazy.
It's 7 o'clock on the dot. I'm in my drop top, cruising the streets that I grew up in. I didn't think the same back then. Saying, oh, how we changed, man, nigga, that's when. The pistols go pop, bodies drop. They got the block. It's the police, we ain't seen nothing. I just roll up my weed and get the puffin'. And lay back in my seat, oh yes, I'm numb again.
Stupid. It's interesting. How do you put period separators on? You just go to this indicator thing right here. You click it, you add indicator, and then you click, you type in period separators, and then you will click it, and then it turns on. But then you need to map it out per time frame. So for example, I'm on an H1. I made mine for the D1. So D1 represents the day. So period separators, change settings to D1. The H4 time frame, I have mine set to W1. So that's determines for the week. And the daily, we have it at the monthly one, MN1. So just make sure you have those settings on. And then the weekly and monthly time frames, I had to manually draw them, unfortunately. So I got vertical lines and I just put them on the beginning of each year. And just lock it in and you got your periods for the year. And the weekly and monthly time frames is the same thing. So you could literally just draw on the weekly, duplicate by clicking the add sign after you mark up the weekly, and then just change the time frame on this one to monthly, and you're good to go. And then you just save it. Simple. Now you're organized. Which makes everything a lot better for you as a trader. Kicking need to give me a steak deal. I swear, I'll be gambling right now. All this cooks. What I need to do is set up my my gaming, so I can start gaming. I just gotta find time to get it on. Nothing else to do. But yeah, I think I'm about to get off soon. I'll go just do what it does. I think I'll pop back on maybe around 7 o'clock. See where we at in the charts, mark up some more stuff, have some more fun. In the meantime, I'll probably set up my gaming stuff.
And the winner is My Life Real Quick.
Appreciate that. Thanks for the follow. I gotta get in the habit of saying that. Thanks for the follow, Poppy Kev. Do I have a cameraman? Yeah, I got a full-time camera guy. Full-time. Yeah, I might get on around 5 p.m., 7 p.m. Oh, at 7 p.m., like around there. I think, yeah, that should be perfect for me. I'm gonna post this on YouTube. I'm gonna literally title it US30 longs and popping my shit. But yeah. Y'all just gonna see a lot of content this year. That's all I can really say. Do I only trade golds? Nah. I trade a lot more than golds. I just don't see gold is cool. I like it, but I trade more than gold. Like you'll see me trade more Euro USD outside of golds, but I like trading golds because I know I'm gonna make my money too. So it's like one of those things.
Y'all need to move faster. This shit is slow as shit. I've been on just watching it because I was just curious. I know y'all took these trades with me. We're all making money together and stuff, but kind of want to make sure we're doing the right thing. The meetups in Miami, oh, that's coming. So I got an idea. I'm gonna rent out a venue. Like, you know, those one of those hotel setups. You get those big rooms with the chairs. You get the whole presentation event thing going. I want to do an event, like a networking event, you know, and drop some trading knowledge. But I want to do some networking for TPU or people that follow me. Or like bring people together and just do some networking type shit. You know what I'm saying? I'll rent it out. I'll do IRL content and everything in it. But definitely think about doing something like that as an event this year. Yo, my cat is annoying as fuck. Hear that thing just jumping my shit. Now I don't have a buy limit. These are active buys right now, market executions. Y'all about to see a lot of content. That's all I can say. My goal is to really just have fun doing this. And I have way more energy later on in the day. Like in the mornings, I'm like sluggish as hell. Can't even lie to you. Personality is like, daytime. Just got tired and stuff. You would get on this. Keisha, is that Keisha? Appreciate that. Yeah, of course, just study that course and get to the back. I need to actually update some content in there, put some new stuff up. I feel like, how can I say this? We got the WAP and I put the whole strategy in it, but I feel like all my videos I'm doing now, I'm just gonna be dropping them on YouTube. So I don't know if I'm gonna update the WAP too much. I'll probably just make it more formal on redirecting where I'm updating stuff in like little quick announcement tabs. So it's like, all right, you want to keep up with my webinars and content, I'm gonna drop that on YouTube. All right, you can go follow me on Cake and stuff like that. I just don't want to isolate my potential by just dropping inside WAP when it's just gonna be only for the community, but nobody outside until they join the community. But if I put it on YouTube, eyeballs is unlimited. So I'm changing up the way how I go about things. So there's a lot of restructuring, as you can see currently. Yeah, both entries have the same stop loss. Oh, definitely. I'm gonna need some mods. Definitely in the future. Straight up. This is gonna be a movie, but I got plan to do some crazy ass content. I said, I'm gonna bring that shit back out one more time. Y'all about to see what it is. So y'all about to see, you know, we about to be outside with it. About to be outside. That's all I'm gonna do. Like, for real, for real. So mods for sure. I'm gonna need them soon. Yeah, I got the IRL toolkit. I got all that. I dropped $40,000 on my setup. I paid $34,100 for my the TVU backpack. Paid for the highest shit. Same thing Speed got. Now I just dropped another 7 on this damn camera. Another FX3. So I'm using an FX3 with the same lens right now. So what this is, it's gonna be the same quality when I'm doing IRL. I bought the same camera. So I had to get annoying. Another FX3 with the same fucking lens. Shit's a bag of hate how much this damn equipment costs, but that lets you know I'm invested. Like I'm really planning to create. So I'm just gonna spend that money in that. Yeah, so about to be fully in there. It's gonna be fun. And there's no traders right now doing IRL like that, so I think that's gonna help me stand out a little bit until they catch on. Then a lot more people are gonna do it, and that's fine. But just make sure you're trading for real. It's gonna be the funniest part, because the IRL content ain't gonna line up to the profits that they're showing online. That's where it's gonna get really interesting. You're gonna see people's transparency. So some people probably won't do it because it's gonna be too out in the open. And you see people wearing Mountainite chains and shit, which they apparently making Elon Musk type money. Crazy. Man, let me stop doing that. Let me stop.
I was just bullshitting. And you know this, man.
Yeah. But here's the thing. I showed y'all the withdrawal receipts of me making that bag too in front of y'all. And then told y'all I'm about to do an investment. You see what I'm saying? So I literally showed my timeline. And I gave y'all the blockchain transaction ID to go look at it. So y'all see what the real motion is, not just, hey guys, look at me, I'm up this, I withdrew this, but I ain't doing nothing because I never really got it, but I'm making it look like I did, and Photoshop is the way to go, and inspect element, look at me. I hate it. I hate how this industry is. I swear to God, it pisses me off. But the whole goal is to change that. I don't know who started this mess on this level. It just got disgusting. Like, where did these people even come from? Like, nah, trade that shit. But remember back in the day, I'd be like, yo, made this, showing this, doing this, pop my shit and said I did. I ain't just got on the internet. If y'all saw losses there, I showed you that. You know what I'm saying? I took that shit on the chin, but I'm me because I did this for real. So that's what I'm still doing. And that's my gift. See, I could go trade for real, get the bag and do what I want with it for real. You see what I'm saying? These other people can't. That's just the truth. Can't fake a blockchain transaction. And I bet you if you ask any guru in the trading space right now, damn, that sounds great. I'm so supportive of you making that type of money since you want to show so much of it. Can you show me the blockchain transaction of that? They're going to get defensive. They're going to curse you out. They're probably going to even block you. Can't fake a blockchain transaction. Hell nah. Well, I get you. I promise you, they will try to do everything they can to get defensive over that one there. So why show anything at all? Red flag. See what I'm saying? People need to figure that out. But all I know is...
And the winner is My Life Real Quick.
I appreciate that. I like that shit. Shout out to Liz. That's my assistant for that ad-lib right there. I'm about to create some alerts. Huh. But yeah, that's why I really think about where this industry is going. More transparency. I love the fact that streaming became a thing because now people can finally see transparency. And that's beautiful. Love it. What's good? What's good? NYTS. Oh, by the way, appreciate everybody that followed me today in the last couple of hours. Definitely appreciate the love. Yeah, I even explained how I got the whole SVJ. I showed, like, yo, I put money down on that. I did what I did. I showed I was trading XRP at that time. Literally called out when I got in, when I got out. Went and did what I said I was going to go do. Proved it. And nobody can say, Ryan, you ain't do that on XRP. I did it on Coinbase. I showed my Coinbase account. There's a difference. And I marked off everything through trading. And knew where price was going to be at, and I did what I had to do. So that's the difference. And I ain't go to Cairo. Ha. XRP flip, I had like over 80,000 invested, and they jumped from 23 cents to like 40 something cents, and I withdrew it. I cashed out, so it doubled. So 160 profit, took it out. Then yeah, hit the bag. See that motherfucker. Man, I was one of the first ones with the SVJ too. 2019 Blue Cepheus, brand new, very light on miles for them driving around the lot. So I came out like less than 100 miles. Brand new car smell, loved it. Then I did a whole bunch of stuff to the car, and then I realized in that first year, it's like getting an iPhone, brand new iPhone when it first drops. If you don't know, usually the first iPhone got the issues. Well, the same thing goddamn happened to that car. Had some issues. Had to keep fixing the computer system. I got an exhaust. COVID hits. My exhaust is in Thailand at the time. Can't drive the damn car for a whole damn year because they're all panicking on how to work on the car because of COVID. So I'm the exhaustless for like 6 to 8 months. I was pissed. I was holding the coins. So literally went to Coinbase, invested.
And the winner is
my
life real quick.
Thanks to the follow Will. Invested held coins, and it just caught a vibe. Dollar cost average into it around the 20s and spiked up to 40s. Sold off everything and just went to go get the car. Now, keep in mind, I had a lot of XRP back in the day because of that. And you know what I chose to go do? Buy the car. Go get the car. Sounded great, right? Why not? Young and dumb. If I only fucking knew the shit was gonna go to $2, would have been dope. Would have made more money. But when you're on this content creator, influencer path, you look at, especially when you're young, you think materialistic gain is the way how you need to pop out and flex, and that's captive. Just invest your money and enjoy your money and get things that matter to you, not because you're doing it to prove a point. Like, you know what I'm saying? Once you self-made, you self-made. You have fun doing it for you. Right now, the industry is all about what type of car could I get to look like the guru influencer. Everyone's getting the same Cario deals right now, and it's looking like a mess. And they don't even have no credit. They got no FICO credit to get the cars. They're not building no credit score. They're not doing nothing. Just look good online. Apparently, that's all people care about these days. Young and dumb. Now, I don't have no crypto holdings right now. I'm out. Trump is a fucking mess. The whole market didn't go up as what people predicted to, so when Bitcoin dropped, everybody got wrecked. So just dollar cost average into it. I'm just gonna be solely focusing on blue chips after that. Like, these meme coins be pissing me off. Yeah, these MLMs definitely destroyed the game. I don't even know why they even wanted to monetize forex. They would monetize water and air if they had to. It's crazy. Water and fucking air.
Shit. Market evolves. Okay, the market evolves. Does that affect the master class? What was the difference of it now and 5 years ago? Ooh, good question. Here's my answer. Markets can evolve, but just because it evolves don't mean the strategy changes. Masterclass will remain golden throughout life and death, meaning it's not gonna change ever. Masterclass is, why I called it the masterclass, is mastery level. It will not be a way that it has to change. Wanna know why? Let's see if you know why, but I'm gonna explain why. So I'm giving you a couple seconds for you to think about it, but I'm gonna tell you. 5 years ago, I'm not at the level, by the way, where I'm at now. So what people had 5 years ago was a 50% completion of what I had today. It's called a red package. I call it red for a reason. It was at that bottom level, building it up, creating it, my ultimate strategy. So now you can say I'm in the blue level, right? So if I had to recall this package today, another color, it would be like ice blue. I already did blue package, so I can't call it that. You know what I'm saying? I would have changed it up. But the main thing is, this is the mastery level. It's not going to change, and it's not going to change, and the strategy can't change because it revolves around Fibonacci. And Fibonacci does not change. It's been here since the beginning of our whole livelihoods, time. It is the perfect math, you know, the maths, how can I say this? It's a perfect math, valuable asset in your trading career. Fibs has been here since the beginning of time. It's known as the golden rule. It's known as God's fingerprint. It is not changing. It's gonna stay forever. You know what that means? This is generational knowledge. It is not going nowhere. Nowhere. We're good forever. Life. More life to everyone. Understand? So, red package, yeah. The only difference between this and that is that I obviously tweaked a whole bunch of shit and made it better. But one of the downfalls of the red package, I was just drawing my fibs in one direction. Big red flag. Besides me adding a whole bunch of shit to the masterclass, the big difference in it was following the trends with the fibs and not just staying in one direction, meaning flipping the fibs when necessary based upon trends and understanding the overall time frames. So pretty much everything I do now in masterclass, working my way through each chart individually, categorizing it differently, understanding what the bigger picture is overall, and then breaking down the Fibonacci's in each one to understand the real true art of where the market is going versus hypothetically thinking you're understanding realistically and logically. And if you're wrong, you're wrong. It's fine. You got to understand risk management will be, you know, your biggest asset in this, because I promise you the strategy is going to make you be more profitable throughout the year with more wins than your losses. And I could stamp that shit. If you do this right, you will have way more wins than losses. And you don't need to do all these new algorithms and new products and services that people coming out to create. They're not going to throw no subs. It just, I know y'all see it online. All these new products and services to just figure out how to trade good. What the fuck is going on in this industry? You just need to know how to do this. You don't need no fancy little product. You don't need to have no... I don't even know how to explain it. I don't even want to even say it fully. But you don't need to do all that extra shit that you see online. You don't need a fucking journal. I don't fucking journal shit. You don't need nothing but just know this. The masterclass. What is journaling? It's how you build your confidence up because you're incapable to believe that your shit is good. Fuck, I said it. God damn it, I ain't saying nothing. You wrote it, but I ain't saying nothing. Can't lie, I fuck with the marketing though. It's kind of dope. But what I'm trying to say is, at the end of the fucking day, you just need to know a strategy that works. You don't need all that extra shit, bells and whistles. What is that for? People trying to sell people on products.
And the winner is my life real quick.
How the fuck we trying to sell people on products just so they can get better at trading when trading is by itself something that you can understand by understanding your chart and actually doing it the right way? You don't need no
Trading journal. You don't need a white label trade zealot calling it market memo. Fuck out of here. You don't need none of that. Yeah, I said it. Fucking core sellers. But yeah, you just need to know your shit. The best competition in this game is going to be yourself. The best thing is to understand how you process information with your own brain. You understand? You know how you could journal your own mistakes? You want to see some trick? I'll show you the best trick fucking ever. You want to see real life journaling? Look at this shit. We're looking at the monthly, right? Bam. All right. We understand we're bullish. We understand we're bullish. We understand we're bullish. We understand we're bullish. Okay. I got another H1. I wonder what the fuck I got to do here. I'm bullish on this H1, but what if I'm not supposed to be bullish? I'm trading per day. Okay. Let's figure this shit out together, y'all. This is how I fucking journal. Wait for it. Wait for it. Let's draw a bearish fib. And we're done. Magical. Fucking magical. So now I can see a bearish outlook and a bullish outlook. I understand I'm bullish, so the bearish one don't make sense. What journal did I need to do? What journal did I need to do? You know what journal I need? Memory. Did you need a journal how to walk across the street? Did you need a journal how to drive a car? Did you need a journal to know how to fuck? No, you didn't need a fucking journal for none of that shit. You need a journal for goddamn fucking nothing. Did you go to school to learn how to trade? No. So you don't need a motherfucking journal for this shit. It's a product.
And the winner is
My life real quick.
Fucking money. That's it. People want your fucking money. Goddamn. Say that shit one more time. Goddamn.
I was just bullshitting. And you know this, man.
No, the fuck, I was not bullshitting. God damn.
And the winner is my life real quick.
But not real talk. People just want to sell people on products. The fuck journal did you? The fuck is? Man, this industry is something different. I look at it all the time. Prop firm this, prop firm that, journal this, journal that. Give me your money, money, money. How about you keep your money and fund your fucking account? You know what I'm saying? That's what matters. You gotta type in lowercase for the bot not to reject it. I gotta go figure out those settings. But yeah, it is what it is. I got excited, y'all. My bad. Let me read that question. James, any mental tricks to make yourself to stick to one thing on risky management? Sometimes I find myself stacking up positions. Don't stack. Step one, knowing will only be want to risk 1% on a trade. You can risk 1% on one entry, so do not stack. Stacking will make you fed up because that is a mistake. Okay, so yeah, the mental trick will be not to stack. You know, so sometimes, I'm not saying this in a bad way, James, so hear me out. I'm gonna say this respectfully, and so it won't come off in a bad way. You answered your own question. You typed it out, and sometimes I feel like that's also a form of journaling, but you could also say that in your head. You'd be like, damn, I just answered my own shit. So it becomes a form of what? Rhetorical. You know what I'm saying? You answered it. Stacking. But if you're trading the right strategy and you're trading in the right direction, you're good. No, you're not banned. You're not banned. Nobody's banned. It's just if you type, I guess with caps, it's like bot rigs. It's deleting it or time you out. Well, right now you're timed out. I don't know why, but I gotta look into the bot settings. I don't understand why caps is not the thing. Yeah, so I don't know. I gotta go see how to shut that part off because I'll be popping my shit in caps too sometimes. But yeah, this is just hopefully y'all got something from that. I come down to journaling and shit. You don't need that motherfucker. But some people be like, I need to journal. I gotta write it down because look, if you think about it. If you're not trading my strategy and you're trading somebody else's strategy, which I don't fucking know how the strategy is, you might need to journal it because the shit don't make too much goddamn sense. So to understand it, what don't make sense, you need to write that shit down so you could actually comply on paper because you don't understand what's going on a chart. So you have no choice but to journal. And that's why 90% of traders fail in 90 days because of the fact they don't know shit. They're figuring it out. And those that do know shit don't really need a journal because it's their strategy or they really understand the strategy. But now, hold on. This is just my opinion. You feel what I'm saying? If journaling helps you feel more better in you in your trading, do that for you. Don't just listen to me like, I'm God or some shit. But I'm just saying, I never fucking journaled not a goddamn motherfucking day in my life trading. You know what I did? I did this shit. Studied it, believed in it, put my head down and got to work. And that's where I'm at today. That's why I'm so good because I believed that I could do this. I had nothing else for myself. I was looking at it like, if not this, then what? What am I going to do? I dropped out of college. I failed math. I was good at other subjects. I wanted to go to school to be an entrepreneur. I realized that shit had to do with math that I wasn't going to use. So I had no choice but to do something different. I always wanted to trade and shit. This ain't got nothing to do with math. Just add up some fucking numbers. It's money. Who don't like adding money? Who don't like adding fucking money? I love adding fucking money. Shit. I don't even gotta add fucking money. We got fucking calculator these days. We got Chat GPT. We got all this shit. We got Grok. Like, what the fuck? We got it so easy now. So why not? I don't need to journal this shit. But speaking of that, for you journalers, I sound so conflicting when I do this. Hold up. Give me 20 seconds. God damn it. This motherfucker's still in plastic. All right, so boom. I got put onto this, and I ain't even use it yet. You talk into this, and it journals for you. It writes down all the shit you're saying. I'm supposed to be using this for us, but I had this for like a year now sitting in plastic. And I haven't used it yet. But this will do that for you. It becomes a note in your phone. You dissect what you want, and technically you could be talking and journaling. But I'm just saying, just gotta do what you gotta do for you. What's best for you. But I don't think journaling is needed to become a good trader. I feel like that's counterproductive. I feel like if anything, that's more productive on the person that's selling you the damn journal. They love that. Shit. But that's America. If there's opportunity in a product or a service and they know they could sell it because somebody needs it, they're going to sell it. They will create it. That is business. But I'm here to tell you, I shall set you motherfucking free. And you don't need it. But it's a business at the end of the day. And I can't knock the fact that people are smart and they are, capitalizing on opportunities that seems good for their pockets on a very useful tool for those that really, 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 really need it. Because there's people that might really, 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 really need it because they don't understand the strategy and they have to make sense of it, so they need to journal it. And I can promise you that is a high percentage of the people that trade today. So it's a supply and demand product. Basically. Gotta see in between the lines. Put like a competition where us TPU compete for a prize using masterclass. I actually have an idea for that. You know, I've been trying to politic how to go about it with my team, but yeah, I already have that in the pipeline. It's gonna be something dope. Damn. Gold still ain't doing us fucking justice. This shit is still slow. It's like, but yeah, that's probably why market's volume is slowing down. Hopefully next week I think there's FOMC. So let's see what happens with everything else in the next coming days, because we need motion. We need something. I'm gonna let mine ride on golds personally. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out, but I'm bullish as hell. I have no reason to go bearish personally. The only thing I'm gonna do is, let's say 5 p.m. hits, 6, 7 p.m., redraw my bullish fib, just maintain bullish pressure. Let's say this double bottom confirms and it ends over here somewhere. I'm just gonna draw from low point to high point and then just move my Fibonacci up. My bad, not Fibonacci. Move my stop loss up. And then if the take profit changes with it, change with it, and then have my new risk to reward set up. That's the only thing I'm gonna do later, based upon how this is moving. But still overall bullish. All right. It's about to be 1 o'clock. I got some meetings and I need to shower. I need to wash my ass. So I gotta holla at y'all. But you know, it's my time. Gotta go. But definitely, I enjoy this shit, man. I appreciate y'all. Give it up. W's in the chat. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Oh, my bad. I'm gonna see y'all later. Look at me. I'm gonna see y'all later. And then we're gonna chop it up. We're gonna do what we do. We're gonna catch that little vibe. We're gonna have more fun. We're gonna make some more money. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Like some fucking cash. Yeah. And then we're gonna do some other shit. And then we're gonna do some other shit. And then we're gonna do some other shit. And then we're gonna have more fun. And we're gonna do more shit. And then we're gonna have more fun and doing with more shit. You see what I'm saying? Because we're gonna do all types of shit. My life real quick, baby. Yeah. All right.
And the winner is My Life Real Quick.
I'm gonna see y'all. Appreciate y'all. Much love.